Okay, so question 8 is a fairly straightforward question. They say that many metallic element forms peroxide, which is the O2 with the 2 minus charge, as well as oxides O with the 2 minus charge, which has the least negative value for lattice energy. Least negative means that in terms of the magnitude, it is the smallest. Okay, so the smallest one, we don't want to have high charge. Okay, we want, okay, I think oxide and peroxide both have 2 minus, yeah. So we don't need to look at the charge in terms of the anion charge. We don't need to look at it. The radius, right? We don't want to have a, a small radius, which means that we want to have two oxygen atom, which gives us a big radius, which will then give us the smallest negative value. Okay, so we don't want to have oxides, we want to have peroxides. Okay, so that narrows our option to B and also D. Okay, so A with oxide and C with oxide will rule out. Okay, now let's look at the cation, right? Calcium is 2 plus, potassium is just a single positive charge. Okay, so if you want the least negative value, right, we want the smallest cation charge, which should be from potassium, right? And also, most likely potassium is probably larger than calcium if we look at it. Okay, actually they are the same period, yeah. So we'll just base that on the charge wise in terms of charge, because it's going to have a much bigger influence on the value for lattice energy. Okay, so our answer here is D.